Welcome to Quick Tips, where you find easy ways to perform potentially difficult items. Today we're going to look at how to autofill. Now, if I have a series here of numbers I want to put in, it can take me a long time to have to enter them into a series of cells. For example, if I want to enter a 1 in each of these columns, I have to select in each cell, type in 1, type in 1, type in 1, and that becomes very tedious. The quicker solution is to click in my cell, and if you notice, I have a little square box in the bottom right-hand corner of that cell. I move my mouse cursor over, my cursor changes. I can click and drag, and it autofills for me with that same number. Now, if I want to put a series of numbers, all I have to do is select two numbers, click and drag in the little box, and notice it automatically fills things in for me, now incrementing by one. And Excel is smart enough that it will notice different series. So for example, I can count by fives, hundreds, or other series of numbers if I want. Now, when it gets really smart is when we want to switch over to dates, for example. So if I want to increment daily, I can choose my first cell, and now it automatically fills in my cells, incrementing one day at a time. If I have two items that I've put in already, I can increment by months easily. Likewise, I can drag and increment by years. But what if I want something that's a little bit more difficult? For example, I want to increment by a quarter. So I want the first month, fourth month, seventh, and 10th months of each year, and then incrementing by year. Well, if I select on my cell, on my Home tab, I can go to right-hand side and choose Fill. And I want to choose Series. I want to choose my series to go down in columns, choosing by date. I want to modify it by the month. And I want to modify by the month, stepping every 3 months. Now I'm going to put a stop value of 10/1/2020. Click OK. And you notice it automatically increments for me over that period of time. I can come here to days of the week, choosing Monday. Click and drag. And you notice it's smart enough to add in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If I want to choose work days, I can do something similar. In this case, I'm going to choose a column where I want my dates to be selected. Choose Fill, Series. Doing automatically by columns. It's smart enough to know that because I have a column of data. Date, but I'm going to say weekday. By choosing weekday, it's only going to choose Monday through Friday. Because I have a series of selected values, I don't have to put in a stop value. I'm going to click OK. And by doing so, you'll notice that 1/1, which is a Monday in 2018, goes down to 1/5, which is Friday. It skips 1/6 and 1/7, which was on the weekend, and starts back on 1/8 as it being a weekday, which is a Monday. And that is quick tips for how to autofill in Microsoft Excel. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please click the like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.